Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make a card box. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need some sturdy cardstock, ideally around 110 pounds, for a durable box. A ruler, a sharp craft knife or scissors, and a scoring tool are crucial for clean lines. And of course, a reliable adhesive like craft glue or double-sided tape will hold everything together. You might also want decorative elements to personalize your... Now, let's get precise with our measurements. Start by cutting a rectangular piece of cardstock, perhaps 10 inches by 8 inches, which will form the base and sides of your box. Next, mark 1-inch margins on all 4 sides. These margins will become the tabs for assembly. Carefully cut along the outer lines of your rectangle. Then, make small, straight cuts along the 1-inch margin lines at each of the 4 corners. Once you click the Login button, the system will automatically bypass the traditional WordPress login page. You won't need to enter a username or password at this point. Instead, you will be directly redirected to your WordPress administration dashboard. This provides immediate and seamless access to manage your website's content, settings, and plugins, saving you valuable time. Once your adhesive has fully dried, typically after about 15 to 20 minutes, your card box is structurally sound. Now comes the fun part, personalization. You can add decorative paper, stickers, or ribbons to the exterior to match any theme. For extra flair, consider attaching a small handle or a decorative closure. Your beautifully crafted, custom card box is now ready to store your cards or other small keepsakes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.